we know cancer is very complex. It's not going to be solved with a single therapy. So let's start using strategically therapies that are being developed experimentally and combine them together to try to improve outcomes for cancer patients. I think an amazing breakthrough has been our understanding of how to manipulate the patient's own immune system to fight their own cancer. And this has certainly changed the way we think about cancer therapy now, and has also improved outcomes dramatically. So I think it's really this understanding of how the immune system works and interacts with the tumor and how to make that work to our advantage has been the biggest breakthrough we've seen in a long time in cancer research. Conventional therapies have worked for us, for sure, but they're not good enough. And one of the reasons is that these conventional radiation and chemotherapies have what we call off-target effects. In other words, they attack not only the tumor, but the normal tissues. This sort of new wave of therapies based upon biologics like immune therapy and virus therapies are much more targeted. They only attack the cancer, they leave your normal tissues unscathed, and as a result, we don't see the same level of toxicity that we see with standard chemo and radiation therapy, which actually damage the patient. Our new approach is actually very targeted, damage only the tumor and leave the patient intact. What we're trying to do is we're trying to develop virus-based therapeutics to treat cancer, and these are really great complement to the immune cell therapies that are out there now. And what these are is you know, you get the flu or something, you're infected by a virus, and viruses are parasites of your cells. And what we do is we engineer those viruses to be parasites only of cancer cells. And as a result, we can infuse patients now with virus particles. They go around the body, look everywhere for cancers, and when they find it, they infect them and destroy the cancer, but they don't affect your normal tissues. And this is really something we're trying to push forward, and ACGT has been key to helping us try to move this from the lab and into the clinic much faster. These are challenging therapies to develop, the early stage fundamental concepts behind immune therapy or viral therapies, and they need some nurturing. These are not things that are going to come off the shelf and immediately be ready to go. So we need to work on them a bit, we need to understand them completely and really make sure that we tune them so they're safe and effective for cancer patients. The fact that we're actually making discoveries that are changing people's lives is really what we've got to work for every day. And so it's very satisfying to know that people are starting to benefit from these therapies. They're less toxic, they're more effective, and people are actually having great outcomes. And I think that's, for my career, some of the greatest outcomes that we've ever seen.